Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel again and again. So, magki-Kimpao update ang person. Walang pagiging-mimosa. So, on set lang ngayon ang Kimpao guys. Taping with Korean actor Kim Won-shik. So, ayan yung minaydi ni Miss Garlic. Ayan, shooting time. Nakatag yung Korean actor. Ayan, yan yung ano sa Instagram niya. Then, nakatag din si Paolo Abilino din. The original adaptation. What's Wrong with Secretary King. Then, ayan, good luck. So, ayan siya guys. Yan yung minaydi ni Miss Garlic. Wala pang tulog si Miss Garlic guys. Kasi ganap siya kagabi ng Vogue guys. Women's Month nga, ba diba? Then ito naman may din ng PE ni Kimi. Then ito pa may din ni Miss Garlic. Ayan, so happy on set with my beloved Secretary Kim. So, ayan, nakatag si Chinita Princess. Nag-iisang Kim. Yun, ayan. BMC on set. Hashtag What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Then next Friday is, ayan, Opa on set, Kim Won-shik. So, ayan, nakatag. And then, ito pa, last may din ni Miss Garlic. So, ayan siya. Ayan. Then, ito naman, guys, itong video na to, guys. Well, ibang taping ganap na to, guys. Off-cam na to, guys. So, ayan yung Kimpao, guys. Rest muna bago mag-rolling camera. So, ayan siya. So, ayan lang, guys. Ingat. Love lots. Hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe again and again. So, ayan, si Kim Won-shik and si Chinita Princess. Then, habang wala pa yung kay Pao na torn. So, ayan na muna siya sa gidli. May pa phone. So, ayan lang.